Hey guys, good morning dito sa Canada and good morning everyone. For today, pupunta kami sa Saskatoon para sunduin namin yung anak namin na panganay. From here to Lloydminster, it's 3 hours drive. And maaga kaming gumising ngayon. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning here. Diyan yung mga anak ko. Hello, say hi. Nag-drive mo. Lawrence. Go. Anong binibili mo?
Anti-slip Lawrence.